Welcome back to the TerryTracker channel and welcome back to the vlog. And as you can see, I've just pulled the R1 out of the shed because I'm going to go and take it now to get MOT'd and some new tyres, because that back tyre is pretty goosed in the middle. Look how low it is. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Oops, the bike was booked in for tomorrow, not today. Luckily, I know the guys down at the bike shop, Ian Bell's in Bedlington. So they said, look, we'll try and squeeze it in today. If not, we'll just leave the bike in the workshop and do it tomorrow. So no big deal. At least it's there and it'll get looked at when it can. So like I say, it's getting a pair of tyres put on it and an MOT, and then when it warms up, because I don't like going out when it's cold, when it warms up, we will be going places on the motorcycle. But right now, because the car washes have all opened up again, I am waiting in the car wash at Blythe to get the car washed. Obviously, because it's a car wash. Yay! It's been washed and now it's polish time. And it should end up like this. I'm just about to go in and get my second COVID vaccine. Let's hope I wasn't as ill as I was the first time round, because that was horrific. Fingers crossed. Vaccine number 2, done. 3 weeks I will be fully protected. Collected the trailer. Time to take it home and give it a clean. Yeah, more cleaning. Hey guys, I haven't picked you up all day, I'm sorry. Just when I went for my injection and things, and obviously when I went and picked the trailer up. But I haven't really done anything else today, apart from a little bit of work, like actual work, which will not interest you at all. One thing has come today is a wind muff for my GoPro, which I'm using now. So, can you hear me? Can you actually hear through the wind muff? Because it's quite thick. So yeah, just wanted to know if you can hear me. Not that you can answer me yet. Yeah. But, okay. I'm going to do a test. I'm going to put you outside. What was that like for wind? Because that was 40-mile-an-hour winds. So we'll see when it comes to editing whether... Hey, I said that word properly. Awesome. I'm not going to try and say it again. Anywho, so we'll see when I go into post-production whether or not that cut down wind noise. Like I say, I just stuck you out the window at 40 mile an hour. See what it sounded like, eh? I think I'm going to fly the Mavic Air 2 and have a nice gentle flight this time. Not sure how long the flight will be, but yeah, a nice gentle flight over the top of the woods and a couple of farm fields. Because yesterday's video apparently made a few of you dizzy. I just decided to have a mad half hour with the Mavic and just see what it can do. At one point, I must have had the props flexing so much that if you watch it again and look in the top right hand corner, you can actually see...
Quarter of a mile at the roundabout, continue straight onto Dark Lane.
You can actually see the prop appear in the screen. That's not meant to happen with the Mavic Air 2. So yeah, I was definitely putting it through its paces. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little drone flight. See you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do your job.